This short video is to explain my new universal terms for overlay mosaic crochet. I'm using the chart from my free mosaic crochet tutorial. E stands for edge stitch. Some designers are going to call this border stitch, and that's worked into the very first and last stitch of each row. This represents a standard single crochet, US terms, or double crochet in UK into both loops. Next to the edge stitches, you're going to find a chain. I use this for a super easy start to an envelope border. And I've got a separate video for that. I'll leave you the link in the comments. To create any overlay mosaic crochet design, you will basically need just 2 stitches. A single crochet in the US or double crochet UK into the back loop only, and a double crochet for the US treble UK into the front loop 2 rows below. The back loop single crochets, US double crochets UK, are indicated on the chart by a blank space, and in the written instructions by a B, which stands for back loop. The front loop double crochets, US or trebles UK, are indicated on the chart by an F. Some designers will actually use an X for that. And in the written instructions, I also use an F, and that stands for front loop. So to recap, F stands for a UK treble or US double crochet into the front loop of the stitch 2 rows below the one you're currently working on. B stands for a back loop double crochet in the UK or single crochet into the US, and you're going to make that into the next stitch of the row you're currently working on. And finally, E stands for edge stitch or border stitch, and that is where it's a standard UK double crochet or US single crochet through both loops.